Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to do a split screen. A split screen can come in handy for a couple of different reasons. If you are multitasking and you are working on two different things at once, you may want to do this split screen. So let's say your teacher has given you an assignment and you want to have Canvas up and you also want to have, say, the Google slide that you're working in, then it would be easier if you had them both visible on your screen. Also, if, say, you are watching a tutorial video and you are also trying to do what the tutorial video tells you to, it's easier if you have the video up and then beside that you have the assignment so you can work as the video is playing. So I'm going to show you how to do that today. And we are going to use the All About Meme assignment in order to do that. So if you'll notice here, it says that the teacher is going to walk you through this in class. This is just one that I've given my students. But the assignment is to create a meme that tells something about yourself. So the students had to go in and make a copy of this. So they would go to File, make a copy, and once they've made their copy and put it in their folder, then it's going to bring them to their own copy. So they still want to be able to, let's say, watch a tutorial video at the same time that they have this assignment up, that the tutorial video will walk them step by step through this process. So they would need to have that video up. Let's say the video is in Canvas. So we don't want to close out my assignment here. So I'm going to go back and open the same Canvas class again. So now I've got the Canvas class open twice. And I can have this video up and running. So here are my videos, and let's say we are doing a Google slide. I'm going to have this one open. Okay, now for this purpose, I don't want to play this video while I'm trying to do a video tutorial. So let's just say that this is open and running and it's teaching me what to do. So I need to have this side by side with the document that I'm working on. So the first thing you need to do is go up to the upper right-hand corner, and you will see, if it's in full screen mode, you will see these two boxes. When you click that, it will then reduce it a little bit, maybe even smaller than this. That's the first thing you need to do. So then you need to pull out either the video or the assignment into a separate window. So you click on the tab and you drag it out. Now we've got it in a separate window. Now this automatically made it full screen. We want it small again. So I'm going to click those little boxes. Okay, so now we have the tutorial video here, and here is my assignment that I'm working on right here. I can go back and forth between them by just clicking the Alt-Tab buttons, or you can just move one of them out of the way. Okay, so now we need to put it in split screen. So if you will click on the bar at the top and drag that window all the way over to the right, you're going to see this little see-through box that pops up. So that's asking you, do you want to put that window in that box? Well, personally, I like to have it all on that one side. So I'm going to drag it down just a little, this little box over here. I dragged it up to the top, and it asked me if I want to put it in the top of that screen there, or do I want it on one side? If I want it on one side, I drag it down a little. So I drag that window down. Now you see the invisible or transparent box is all on the right side of the screen. That's where I want that window to go. So I'm going to let go of my mouse, and it puts it right there on that side of my screen. Now it's asking me, what do I want on the other side? And I have some choices. This is the assignment that I was working on. You can see I've got a few other things open on my computer, but that's what I want to go on the other side of the screen. So when I click that, it automatically puts it there. Now I can play this video and I can work over here at the same time. There are other ways of doing this. Let me show you another alternative. To get this window back in the other, I just click on that tab and I drag it over to, well, mine's disappeared. Give me just a minute here. Reduce that one. I drag it over to the other window and I just drop it right there at the top with the other tabs, and it put it right back for me. Okay, so let's say that we're starting from scratch. We have Canvas open twice, one with our tutorial video, and we also have our tab with our meme that we're going to be working on, or whatever assignment that you're going to be working on. We've got that open in two different windows. You can do this another way. You can take your video and you can drag it out, and then you can just put it over to the side, and you can resize it by dragging your mouse to its edge, and you get it however big you want it. So you can resize that. Let's say I want it to take up a little bit more of the screen or a little bit less of the screen for the video. And maybe I want the one that I'm actually typing on to be a little bit bigger. So I move that one over here. See how big it got? Okay, I'm going to make it, oh, it just reduced. So I'm going to move my mouse to the edge. I'm going to drag it down. I'm going to move it to the edge here. Actually, you might have to click on it. Move it to the edge here and drag it over some. So that's another alternative. The first way that I showed you is a little bit quicker and easier because it does allow you to see where the computer wants you to put that window. So just by dragging it over and watching for those transparent boxes, then you can see, is that where I want to put that window, or do I want to drag it down slightly until I get the transparent window to take up half of the screen? Then you just let it go. I'm going to show you one more time just in case you didn't get all this. Okay, so here we have an assignment that our teacher has given us in Canvas. We made a copy of it. We opened it up. Okay, we want to watch the tutorial video. Maybe the tutorial video is right here. If that's where it is, you just need to drag it out. And you keep dragging it until you get to the top corner and see that transparent box pop up. That's not where I want it. I want it to take up the whole side. So I then drag it down, and now I've got the transparent box that fills up that right side. Now I let it go, take my hand off the mouse, and it fills up that section. Okay, now you'll notice that this time it didn't give you any options over there on the other side as to which one you wanted it to fill up, and that's because we already had one placed there. So if you've already got one in the place, it's not going to ask you, it's just going to fill up the other side of the screen. So I hope this helps you to understand how to do a split screen. If you need to watch this video again, watch it as many times as possible. I'm going to put this under the course resources so that you can reference this in the future. I hope this helps. Guys, have a great day.